Hello fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing something hot and spicy. I've decided to test out this Vtcl blender with dried chili, but here's the twist. We'll be comparing two cups to see which one brings out the smoothest and finest grind. So if you've been wondering which cup to use for your pepper, crayfish or the spice blend, this video is going to save you try and error stress. Right here we have the big cup and the small one, and we're going to grind to see which is really the perfect one for this. Let's just get into it. Alright, here's the results. I have to transfer the contents from the big cup into the small one. I prefer the grind from the small one. As you can see, the small cup is that girl for your powder grinding. Now over to you. Which one would you prefer? The big cup or the small one? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thank you for watching, besties. Bye.